Namaste, everyone, and welcome back to Kodomo Kids. My name is Courtney, and this month, the whole month of August, we will be enjoying summer in India. Come along with us. This week we'll be learning a sun salutation, or a sequence of movements that you might use in a yoga flow. Let's break it down and learn it together. Let's begin our sun salutation, starting with our hands down at our sides and our feet, or our root chakra, nice and strong, planted into the ground. Can you take a big deep breath here and relax your shoulders down? Now as we take another deep breath in, let's bring those hands all the way up, 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 above our head and down to our heart center. Good. Let's take a breath here together. In and out. Let's do all of that again. So let's take a breath in and reach down and up, 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 up. Hands come together and down to heart center. And breathe out. Let's take a deep breath in and out. Now this time, let's breathe in, reach down and up, 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 up. Hands come together and we dive forward as we exhale. And let our arms reach down towards our feet. Let's take a nice deep breath here and out. And on your next inhale, let's roll up slowly, one vertebrae at a time, until our head and our chin is the last thing to come up. Good, can we try that one more time? Take a big deep breath in, reach up, 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 hands come together and we dive, forward fold. Good, let's take a breath here. Exhale. Inhale, bend your knees and roll up slowly, one vertebrae at a time. Head and chin, last things to come up. Let's now bring our arms up, 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 over our head and down to heart center. And we'll end our sun salutation saying Namaste, which remember means I bow to you. Namaste, friends.